Hey everybody! So, today we're unboxing this guy. It is the AceMagic AM18? I think? Yeah, I think that's what the box says. Anyways, yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, let's check out what's inside and all that. Alright, so let's tear into this thing. Okay. Nice little mini PC, just like their old other AceMagic I have. Again, very similar packaging with the flappy do. Got the accessories and the computer. My goodness. Okay. Get out of there. Okay. Inside the accessories, we have Clover power cable. Actually, seems a little on the longer side, which is nice. A VESA mount bracket thing. It's not really VESA, but you know what I mean. And we have a 100-watt Type-C charger, which I do have to say that's quite nice. And we have the computer, which, I did not realize the fan was that visible. In the pictures, it really didn't look that visible. Anyways, front we have a button for the lights, Type-C, 2 USB-A, 3-point somethings, power button, and headphone jack. On this side we have nothing. On this side we have 2 USB 2s, DP, HDMI, dual LAN. This one's marked 2.5 gig. This one's not. Not sure if they're both 2.5 or only one. I'll have to find that out. And lastly, power in, which is Type-C. Bottom we have, let's see, how do we open? Whoop. All right. The screws are unfortunately underneath the feet. I dislike that. Anyways, let me grab a screwdriver and we'll look inside real fast. Okay, so okay. It's just the cover comes off. And we have a fan and some crucial RAM. So DDR5, 5600, 16 gigs each, and an SSD. Let me grab it. Okay, so underneath the SSD we have the same Realtek Wi-Fi Bluetooth card, the RTL 8852BE. This has been in so many of the mini PCs that I've had here recently. And let's see what kind of SSD we have here. There's a little thermal pad on here. Man, it does not want to come off. And it is a Rayson. No idea. But we'll just stick the heatsink back on and let her chillax. I do want to point out that the screws for this lid are sadly not going into metal inserts. They're just self-tappers. And we have a fan. Wait. That is attached to a mid-frame. So the mid-frame is attached. Okay. we'll explore that in the full teardown. Now let's grab the top off. I assume the top comes off with taking out these 4 screws. So we shall find out together if that is the case. Yes, that's the case. All right, that was super simple. All right, that's a fairly chunky heatsink. I'm really hoping that allows for some pretty good cooling. All right, now it's time to put it back together and try it out before completely disassembling it. I saw that fin was bent. But yeah, definitely looking forward to trying this out and doing a comparison on some of the recent additions to my collection. Guess what? I forgot to shoot an outro. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned to the channel. I will be having a full teardown of this machine and the M7 Pro coming up pretty soon.